Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. My name is Jay Chong. Today I'm going to share with you how to create unlimited Zoom virtual background, especially with animations, using a simple tool called Canva. I'm sure you heard about Zoom, I'm sure you heard about Canva. If you do not know about them, it's fine. I'm going to share with you how to create virtual plus animated background using Canva. When I say using Canva, you should expect that a simple way. Why? Because this is Technology Simplicity YouTube channel. Okay, let's do this. Okay, beforehand, I need to share with you first. You must have an account in Canva in order to create this virtual animated background. Okay, and of course, to use virtual animated background in your Zoom, you must your PC or your laptop must have a certain requirement, perhaps some graphic card or something. Else, your Zoom client in your PC or your Mac wouldn't support it, and you can't import the animated background. So let me show you. Okay, don't worry. Let's learn first. Who knows, your device can support, right? Okay, at very first page, go to your Canva. Okay, if you have Pro version, it will be much more better because you have you can access any libraries, templates, and elements. Okay, if you don't have, it's fine. First of all, just search for Zoom virtual background. Yeah, sounds like very simple, right? Don't worry, let me show you. Okay, I'm sure you want something very different from your friends, right? Because everybody can do the same. Then in the end of the day, all of you have the same Zoom virtual background effect and so on. So how are you going to customize it in a way that it belongs to you? Okay, at very first place, find a nice background picture. Okay, see whether you want a seasonal, like Christmas is coming, you want to put Christmas as a backdrop, or you want something more generic whereby you can use it in any time. For example, I'm more on IT, so I want something that looks tacky. Okay, it could be that way. Okay, it's fine for you as long as you like it, right? But on the other hand, this is your impression when you go for a virtual meeting. So let's see. Okay, why not I share with you the one that I've been using for a very long time for myself. Let me show you. This is the guy that I'm using. Okay, you just click it. It will redirect you to the templates. Okay, when I say template, means everything here can be changed. So how you're going to do it is, of course, you want to change the profile picture, right? Rather than that one. So I'm going to slot in my own picture. You know, the best thing about Canva is they have a picture frame that allows you to slot in the picture in exact that size. Okay, how you get this frame is very simple. You go to the elements here, then you shall use look for these guys called frames. This is the one that helps you to put your picture into any form of sizes. Okay, for example, I want to put it in a way that it looks like this. Just for example, I can drag my picture into this, so it will look like this. And of course, you can adjust. For example, you want to crop it in a way that I want to look small here, I want to focus more on my head. You know, you can crop and resize the picture. Then you will have this kind of effect. Okay, this is called frame. It's under these elements here. Okay, there are many, but of course, currently I want to stick to this guy lah. Then I'm going to change my name, Jay Chong. Okay, then what else I want to change? Maybe I don't want to put it. Okay, maybe it's 421 already. And today's date I'm going to put. I want to put in the future. So that people will be impressed. You know, I don't know. Actually, just customize whichever you need. It's very simple. And of course, if you want to make more, if you want to make more customization, okay, rather than the one that you see right now, okay, this one very fit, okay, rather than the one you see, you're more than welcome to put other elements here. Then you try to search something. Let's say I want to put a bar. Okay, there's a filter guy here. Okay, click this guy and look for animated, and you filter it. Yeah, it's a bit laggy. Okay, then you shall have all these kind of nice animation stuff, okay, that you can actually insert into. Okay, let's say I want to slot in this guy and I want to put it under my name. I can do it this way. This is just for example, by the way, it's not the perfect version. Yep. Okay, my heart rate should be higher, 89. Temperature is fine. I'm currently in the 24 Celsius. Yep. Voila. So what's next is you're going to download this as an MP4 format. Yep, MP4 format. And Canva allows you to export this into a video file whereby you can import into your Zoom. Okay, so let's download it. It will take some time for a video like this, okay? Please wait for it to be processed and downloaded into PC. Then the next thing is you just import it into your Zoom. It's very simple. When I say unlimited, you can be very creative and change and create a variety of animated background that you like. Okay, for example, I want to use the same animation but using different background picture, and I want to create a much more. Maybe I want to go for a morning kind of stuff rather than this dark. Okay, let's wait for the download to be finished. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, do you see the guy here? There's a plus with two documents like that. It's a duplicate. So I'm going to create this guy and I'm going to, okay, I have a duplication here. The next thing is, oops, I already do the page first. Okay, I can delete the picture and I'm going to insert other stuff. Okay, for example, I want to use something much more cool. Replace. Okay, let's say I want to embed this into the one. It's very simple. I duplicate one more time. I'm going to copy this. I come to here and I paste it. Now I have this version. If you play it, you shall see such thing like this. Looks cool, eh? Okay, imagine this is your background. Yeah, I'm gonna move there. Okay, so you will have different kind of background for yourself. This is number 2. I can create another one. Let me duplicate. I'm gonna delete this guy. I'm gonna find another animated version. For example, I'm gonna put this. Okay, add as new page first. Then I'm going to copy the video. Okay, let's say I want this. Aha. Okay, I copy. Come back here. Paste. Oops. Oh yeah. It's here, right? Okay. Oops. Canva have experienced some issue. Okay, that part I cannot help you, but don't worry about that. You will be back soon. Okay. Most importantly is you stretch here and you're going to put it back. Okay. Now you have two versions. It's very simple. It's very simple, right? To create a virtual background within a few minutes, as long as you know what you want in the piece, in your background. You know, put the animated elements, customize in a way that you put in your name, your profile picture, so it looks more personalized to your own. Okay, That's all from me. I hope you learned something, and if you like this video, please help me to put a like here, here, put a like, subscribe to my channel Technology Simplicity, as well as put a ring so that you will get notified whenever I uploaded a new video like this. I'm going to share with you from WordPress to technology to digital stuff, tips and tricks, sometimes even tutorial. So last but not least, hope you really enjoy it, and really hope to see you again and again. Stay home, stay safe, and goodbye.